Today at Secret Super Chef, we have spinach chicken wraps. For this recipe, I have used products of Japan's #1 Asahi Kasei. And believe me, their products are wonderful. Once you'll start using them, you'll definitely like them. This recipe is being done in 2 parts, so let's begin with the first part. First, we'll prepare the spinach wraps. I've taken 1 bunch of spinach and I've blanched it and made a puree out of it. To the puree, add 3/4 cup whole wheat flour and 2/3 cup milk. Adjust the salt as per your taste and add some fresh crushed pepper. Add 1 egg and whisk everything together. The batter for a wrap is ready. Using the premium wrap, I'm going to cover my bowl and let my batter rest for 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, we are going to marinate our chicken. In 400 grams of chicken, add 2 tablespoons each crushed ginger and garlic and 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 2 tablespoons chili sauce and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Add salt and pepper as per your taste. Mix everything together and now again use the premium wrap to cover and let the chicken marinate for half an hour. The premium wrap here helps to retain the moisture. Now I'm going to use the frying pan foil to make our wraps. This is my old wrap that I'm reusing. Pour some batter over the hot sheet and spread it around. Note, we haven't used any oil here. Spread the wrap evenly and let it cook. After a while, just flip the wrap around. You'll see those nice golden brown spots. Flip one more time to check the other side. Similarly, prepare all the wraps and set them aside. Now in the same pan, we'll prepare our chicken. Add 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and garlic. Add 2 green chilies. Let's roast everything till they change their color and a nice aroma appears. Now we'll add our marinated chicken. Add the entire chicken and spread it evenly. Again, absolutely no oil is used here. Add some sliced green bell peppers. Cover and let the chicken cook. Give a quick stir in between. The chicken here is completely cooked now. And wow, that smells amazing. Let's assemble everything together. Take 1 spinach wrap. Add desired amount of filling in the middle. And simply fold from all the 4 sides. Place a decent amount of filling so it's easy to roll as well. Make sure to secure all the ends tightly. If you want, you can use a toothpick. You can roll it like a Frankie too. Oil-free yet amazingly tasty, soft and delicious spinach chicken wraps are ready. Hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. Once again, I'll extend my thanks to Jhatpat Recipes and Asahi Kasei.